For more than 35 years, LALIZAS has been distributing and manufacturing marine and safety equipment all around the globe. We do have 3 production facilities, 1 in Greece and 2 in China. We do manufacture our products with the highest levels of standards, and we comply with all of the latest approvals. Some of the product categories in particular are life rafts, life-saving appliances, immersion suits, breathing devices, EBDs, SCBAs, SOLAS, life jackets and lights. Over the past years, LALIZAS has been developing a very extensive global network of service stations. Currently we do have 250 service stations around the globe, where we continuously train them in order to provide the best service of our products to our shipping companies. The past few months we have put in motion our strategic plan to expand our portfolio as manufacturers, and in order to take our expertise in another level and to provide a total safety solution to our customers. We try to do that by introducing our FSR umbrella with fire safety and rescue, both for products and services to our clients. During Posidonia this year, we have been glad to announce the acquisition of 2 major key players of the maritime market, which is Alexander Ryan and Antipiros. Alexander Ryan is an expert on offshore industry, and Antipiros is an expert of firefighting equipment. Both companies, they carry a lot of experience in their field in order to support our vision. Now further to all of this, of course, in the front line we try to provide the best possible service and expertise to our customers, and in order to do that we try to develop an LMS software, which is a LALIZAS monitoring system, where we try to take the vessel monitoring and planning to the FSR service needs to another level. But this is all for now. I cannot announce something more than that. Thank you for this question, which is quite interesting though. Ultimately, we try to manufacture products to save lives. LALIZAS, simply life saving, is our motto. Our goal is to keep crews safe. That means that when it comes that safety on equipment on board vessels to be used or deployed, they simply need to work and to do what they are meant to. For example, I hear that a lot of life jackets are the same and are approved under the same regulations, but I personally don't believe that all life jackets are the same. Yes, they are approved under the same regulations, but what about the production lines? Do they keep producing under the same standards? No. When one chooses the safety equipment of its vessel's crews, he needs to be confident that when needed, the equipment will deliver its promise to save lives, as LALIZAS have been true to this promise for more than 35 years. So we try to make sure that all products will always deliver its promise to save lives on board. This is a very good question though, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to express my worry. These alerts come from local authorities that inspect vessels, as you understand. We have been receiving a lot of alerts that safety equipment is not properly maintained or handled on board. Of course, this is an exemption and not the rule, and this is good, in fact, but still it is something that crews need to be aware. Their equipment needs to be properly maintained and handled, always under the rules of each manufacturer's manuals, and it is imperative for their safety, of course, and it cannot be dealt lightly either by the crew members or the shipping companies. As you understand, LALIZAS is synonymous with safety. Safety remains our important and crucial consideration, whether we deal with passenger, offshore or cargo vessels. Our expansive product line and services comply with international maritime regulation, as I have told you before, and all the equipment standards are related to maritime and national standards. I want for our customers and prospective ones, of course, to utilize a high quality product manufacturer as LALIZAS that is able to provide high quality service. With our experience, which is more than 35 years in the market, and the reputation that we do have, we try to keep our promise. We try to keep crews safe, and the most important is by this way we try to keep our customers happy with the ease of mind that our products and services are respectively comply with the latest safety regulations.